About this item: DisplayPort to VGA adapter, DisplayPort 1.2, HBR2, adapter connects a VGA display or projector supporting 2048x1152, 1920x1200 and 1920x1080, 1080p, at 60 Hz. EDID and DDC pass-through ensure compatibility between source and display. 3.9, 10 cm, attached cable compatibility, active digital to analog converter, supports DP or DP++ source W/standard DP connector including workstations, desktops, AMD/NVIDIA, laptops, small form factor computers and docking stations. Connect to a primary or secondary display, connect a VGA monitor or projector, or add a second display to your workstation using this DP to VGA video adapter. Sleek and compact design makes it easy to travel to and from office or home. Screw locking VGA, non-latching DP connector.